Hello, I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW and Multisim. In this video, we will create a circuit to generate a pulse width modulation (PWM) wave. So, to design PWM wave, we will use LN555 IC. So, for that, we will press Ctrl W. It will open a select a component window. In the select a component window, we will get the database. So here, in the place of component, we will select and delete, and we will write LM555. We need to take LM555 CM. Take this one, place here. After that, we will come here, come to the sources, take VCC, take one ground, then come here, come here basic, take a registers and take another registers. Now take capacitor, one more capacitor, come here and take a potentiometer here. You can take variable resistor also, but potentiometer is good. Okay, now come into the basic and come here. There will be diode you will get. Now click in the diode and take this one diode, one, and another diode. Now select both and right click and come into the properties. Okay, display, select this. Okay, second. Now deselect all. Okay, right click on this diode, come into the properties, display, click, show label, show values. Okay, all the attributes, uncheck and okay. Now both registers, control R, sorry, click here, control R, and control R, rotate. After that, rotate this potentiometer, that is a kind of variable registers. Click this potentiometers. Now take a resistor here, make a connection with it, right click, click R to rotate. Now make a connection like this, connect your DIS pin, this DIS pin with this one. Okay, now connect this one with VCC, connect this VCC here, connect this reset. Now this is ground, so connect this common point with the ground concepts like this, rotate this one. Now take a output and make a connection like this, connect this one also, and now connect this with the ground. Okay, after that come here, click here, click and connect. Now double click in the potentiometer, click here, delete, uncheck, okay, done, okay. Now right click again, come into the properties, come into the values, it is 1k, so right here 10k. Now it is 10k. Okay, so if you want to check the value, so you can come and you can show the value, so it is 10k. Okay, and it is a 10K. Now come here in the right hand side. In the right hand side border you will get this oscilloscope. Take the oscilloscope and place here. Connect a point of the oscilloscope with this node junction, sorry, and connect second with the ground. Now double click and open reserve. There you will get reserve. Run the program and reserve. Now you can see the high point is 10% and the low, the high, okay, width is 90%, sorry, high width is 10%, and low width is 90%. When I will increase it, so the high width means duty cycle will be increased. Using this I am increasing duty cycles. Okay, so it is our PWM wave generators. Using this circuit you can generate your PWM wave. Okay, and you can control. Here we are controlling our duty cycle. Okay, duty cycle. So using this wave circuit you can create the PWM for your application and for your study purposes. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, so please share and comment something, whatever, positive, negative, whatever you want, please comment. Thank you.